What is HTML? HTML is the standard markup language used for creating web pages. It provides the structure and content of a web page, defining how the elements within it are displayed on a browser. In this introduction, we'll cover the basics of HTML and how it is used to create web pages. HTML structure. HTML documents are structured using HTML tags. Tags are enclosed within angle brackets and come in pairs, an opening tag and a closing tag. The content is placed between these tags. For example, the P tag is used to define a paragraph, and it is written like this. Where content goes here represents the actual text or content of the paragraph. HTML elements. HTML elements are the building blocks of web pages. They define different parts of the content and provide structure and meaning to the page. Some common HTML elements include H1 to H6 heading elements, where H1 represents the highest level heading and H6 represents the lowest level heading. P paragraph element for defining paragraphs of text. A anchor element used to create hyperlinks to other web pages or resources. IMG image element for displaying images. Let's talk about more elements in following video. Attributes. HTML elements can have attributes that provide additional information about the element. Attributes are specified within the opening tag of an element. For example, the IMG element has attributes such as src and alt. HTML document structure. An HTML document typically starts with a document type declaration called doctype HTML, which tells the browser that the document is an HTML5 document. The document is wrapped within the HTML element, which contains the head and body sections. The head section is used for providing meta-information about the document, such as the title, linking to style sheets, or including scripts. The body section contains the visible content of the web page. Conclusion. HTML is the fundamental language used for creating web pages. It provides the structure and content of a web page, allowing you to create headings, paragraphs, lists, links, images, and more. Understanding HTML is essential for anyone interested in web development, as it forms the basis for building interactive and visually appealing websites. Here's a basic HTML tutorial series to help you get started.